moving on. All right. So 2 breakout rooms will be available per topic during both breakout session 1 and breakout session 2. And this is to reduce virtual crowding. So please self-distribute accordingly based on both your topic interest and how crowded a given virtual room is. You'll be able to hop around to different breakout rooms during both session 1 and session 2 as you please. There's a break between session 1 and session 2, both for any bio break needs and to give folks a clear opportunity to shift to a different topic if they'd like. The breakout sessions are both 50 minutes long. You should be able to navigate to the breakout rooms using the WebEx controls, but please don't hesitate to let us know if you're having any difficulties. The event coordinators are around for any questions that might be directed to us. As far as breakout session content, you will have 2 designated volunteers in your sessions, and I will mention that the coordinators of the event are so grateful for all of our volunteers. The 2 designated volunteers in each of the breakout rooms are a facilitator and a note taker. The designated facilitator will be sharing the following questions with the group for discussion. And these are relevant across the different topics of this workshop. The questions are related to your interests on science objectives and priorities, your interests on lunar location considerations, and your interests in lunar habitat capabilities, as well as your interest in what general purpose equipment would be of interest. Due to the increased WebEx security that's in place for today's workshop, we're not able to give folks the ability to self-unmute. To speak, you'll need to use the raise hand feature in WebEx, and the facilitator will unmute you. You're also welcome to provide input via the WebEx chat box. Our designated note takers will be taking notes during the session and capturing notes from the chat. At the close of each breakout session, you'll be given a 60-second warning that the breakout session is ending before you're automatically brought back into this main room. These 60 seconds will be when our note takers capture the input in the chat. We're hoping that today's breakout sessions provide a useful opportunity to share your perspectives. I'll mention also that input from the community shared during the breakout sessions will be used by the event organizers to develop a workshop report to NASA.